Hello there, welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to be learning how to connect TikTok to your Shopify account. Now, you will basically have to log into your TikTok account, and of course, you also need to have logged in to your Shopify online store. So on your Shopify online store, you will come to the left-hand side here and click on Add Apps. You notice we have apps here. If you cannot locate TikTok, you come down here and click on Shopify App Store, which will load and take you to this page where now you can search for TikTok at the top here. So you'll search for TikTok there. And so you'll notice now it will take us to the results where we have TikTok, which is free to install. You will click on that. Here it is. So you click on that TikTok, and then you notice you can now click on install. Down here, you notice that you can find and engage new customers with TikTok ads and TikTok shop. By this, you are able to build TikTok style ad in minutes. You can install TikTok Pixel in one click to measure the performance of your ads. And you can also manage and track new orders by selling directly via TikTok shop. And remember, this is only available or for people living in the USA. In case you find that when you come to this app, TikTok, here it indicates not compatible, then it means the location of your online store currently is not supported by Shopify. So you need to be in regions that are supported. So to install the TikTok app, you'll click on install, and it's free to install this app on your Shopify. And as we said, you will need to have a TikTok account, actually a TikTok business account. So you click on that, and then it takes you to admin for the Shopify. You notice you have my store and we have TikTok, and you want to give access to your store. You can edit this information, but at the top here, you notice we have ad sales. So you notice here we have add sales channel, and that is what we want to do. We want to add TikTok as a sales channel to my store on Shopify. So you click on add sales channel at the top here. And then if you have more than one Shopify store, you select the one that you want to link. I want to use the last one here. So you click on the one you want to use, but if you have one, you just click that one. So it will load and bring you to TikTok channel overview, where you can now grow your business on TikTok. You can optimize marketing campaigns, and you can also see the success stories here. So down here, you notice we also have TikTok shop, where you can start selling on TikTok. You notice with TikTok marketing, this one you need to pay for it. So you can use this one to optimize marketing campaigns, creative made simple, and one-click pixel installation. But for the free one, TikTok shop, which is free, you can sync your Shopify listings to TikTok, and you can allow customers to buy from your TikTok account, and then you can drive checkouts directly on TikTok. So this is the one that we want to install, especially because in my account, I'm using the free version. So you click on set up now, and then it will bring you to this part where you can now connect using your TikTok for business account, or you can create a new TikTok shop account. If you don't have a TikTok for business account, you can click at the top here on create one. If you have one, you click on connect. So I'll click on create one at the top here, where now you can put your email here, and then you will receive a code in this email where now you'll have created that account. So you click on send code, and then this code will be sent to your email. Then you will enter the code here, the code that you receive in your email, and then your password, and then you confirm the password. And then you click on sign up now. Then you confirm your selling country. Can you confirm you're about to start a business in the United States? Or if you want to switch the country, you click on switch country. Then you click on start business here. It will then bring you to this page where now you notice TikTok Shop and your Shopify account will share the following data. So you get the data that will be shared, including seller, products, orders, shipping, and finance. So that information will be shared between your Shopify and your TikTok for business account. So you click on connect down here, connect. And now Shopify is connecting to TikTok. And so with that, your channel is now connected. Your TikTok is now connected to your Shopify. The other things that you can do here, you can now continue setting up your TikTok marketing or your TikTok shop. And then down here, to get most out of your TikTok connection, you notice we can have TikTok marketing, data sharing, and TikTok conversion ads. So to complete this, you can end it there. But again, to complete this, you can use the second part here, TikTok shop, to showcase and sell your TikTok account. So to continue the setup, you click on continue, set up TikTok shop. And then you can now see here, you have the TikTok shop verified, and then verify your shop information and upload documents. You will click on verify, and then you upload the documents that you have. You put your phone number here, your password, and then you log in. You'll actually receive an SMS code, and then you'll click on login. After that, you come down here and click on finish setup, and your TikTok will now be set into your Shopify. So the other thing you can do, if you come to TikTok marketing, you can reach millions of potential customers with paid advertising campaigns. You can set up that here. You click on set up. You can create a new account here, TikTok Ads Manager. You can access and manage all your TikTok ads here. So you can create new at the top here. So you select the region, the currency, the time zone, your email down here, and then you add your phone number here. You select your industry down here, and then you click on sign up and connect. And so your account will have been added there. And then we have this last step here where you can select the data sharing, and then you can also give your company information down here. And then once that is done, you click on finish up. You click on finish set up, and your TikTok will have been linked to your Shopify account. So that is basically how you set up TikTok. So that is how you connect TikTok to your Shopify account, and you can have TikTok marketing, you can have data sharing, and then you can also have TikTok conversion ads. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.